everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. So I did receive a nail kit from Modelones. The first thing you see is a pamphlet which provides tips, how to prepare your nails, how to apply polygel, and also how to remove it. It also came with a bag with utensils. There was dual forms, a nail file, slip solution, cuticle oil. It even had a buffer. Basically, this kit has all the nail essentials you'll need to start your first polygel nail set. And then I saw it had a pink UV lamp, and I was obsessing over this. Like pink is my favorite color, so I was really loving this UV lamp and I was obsessing over it. This kit also comes with 6 polygel colors and 1 bottle of top and base coat, and I'm going to proceed to show you guys the swatches of these polygel colors. After all the swatches, I decided on this color. I'm going to jump into nail prep. So I am doing my cousin's nails today, and I'm going to apply some cuticle remover on her nails. I'm going to let that sit for about 45 seconds before I start pushing them back. I'm going to take my sanding band and go over her natural nail plate just to remove the shine, and I'm going to go a bit over into her cuticles as well, and I have this on the lowest setting. So now I'm just going to size on her tips. These are the nail tips that I'm using today, and they frame her nail bed so well. I think I'm going to be using these nail tips on her from now on. Right now, I'm just wiping off her natural nail with some alcohol just to remove any of that residue from filing. And then I'm going to go in with a layer of dehydrator before gluing on her tips. And then I'm going to go in with dehydrator again and follow up with 2 coats of primer. I am going to be using the Model 1 Slip Solution today. If you've been around for my early days, you know that I used to swear by this Model 1 Slip Solution. I honestly think the Slip Solution is great for polygel. It's super easy to mold and it really helps. And it works great with this polygel. Since we're done with application, I am going to wipe off the sticky layer with some alcohol, and then I'm going to begin filing. So here are how the nails turned out. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. I'm really loving this color. It's the perfect pastel pink for spring. And you guys know I love solid color sets. Like, I'd be doing these all the time if I wasn't recording. I just feel like they look so clean. I have everything I used linked in the description box. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.